is, and quoted by the students, actually the sense of space that they can breathe. They actually don't feel that they are living in a major city and they have no space. And actually the countryside and the beaches, and you do have sense of space to breathe in between lessons and studying.
I think she really enjoyed the community, the people that she was, where she was living. She always had a great experience of living in Maltaforn or in the city or even over in Valletta. Food was always good.
I feel the students are really well cared for here in Gozo. I don't know about London. I mean, I'm sure it's a much bigger school, but we do really take care of our students here. So it's a big advantage to come and study here with us. The weather is really nice. Life in Gozo is much calmer. You're just 5 minutes away from the sea. You can take your books and your laptops and study on the beach. There's so many advantages.
Biggest thing I would say is that explore it, learn about it, approach the university, ask for information, because often it can be unnerving to think, oh, Malta, what is going to be. So I think we are willing to share. There's a lot of information there. So I would recommend to any prospective student who's considering it to reach out.